What nutrient helps repair the body? Protein. Protein is a nutrient used to make and repair our body cells, like blood and muscle cells. What nutrients help build and repair body tissue? Protein foods. Proteins are often called the body's building blocks. They are used to build and repair tissues, and also help your body fight infection. Which nutrient is most needed by the body for tissue repair? Protein is used to build, maintain and repair body tissues. It is also very important to make sure you are eating a balanced diet to prevent any vitamin and/or mineral deficiencies. These are needed to help build and maintain new tissues. What helps cell repair? While healthy fats and protein bolster our cellular walls or membranes, vitamins, minerals and plant chemicals called phytonutrients help to protect and repair our cells from damage. What foods repair cells? Let us have a look at a few preferred options of alkaline foods that help to renew and repair our body cells. 1. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is enriched with cell-regenerating anti-aging properties. 2. Mushrooms. 3. Broccoli. 4. Berries. 5. Burro bananas, chunky banana. 6. Oregano. 7. Plums. 8. Apples. What vitamins repair cells? Antioxidants, such as vitamin C and E and carotenoids, which include beta-carotene, lycopene and lutein, help protect healthy cells from damage caused by free radicals. What should I eat to heal? 10 of the best foods to help you heal leafy green vegetables. Eggs. Salmon. Berries. Nuts and seeds. Poultry. Organ meats. Cruciferous vegetables. What nutrient repairs damaged tissue? Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a must-have nutrient in your diet because it facilitates connective tissue repair as well as boosting energy metabolism. What helps soft tissue heal? Treatment involves healing the inflamed area with rest, compression, elevation, and anti-inflammatory medicine. Ice may be used in the acute phase of injury. Stretching and strengthening exercises can gradually be added to help avoid further injury. What deficiency causes slow healing? Vitamin C has many roles in wound healing, and a deficiency in this vitamin has multiple effects on tissue repair. Vitamin C deficiencies result in impaired healing, and have been linked to decreased collagen synthesis and fibroblast proliferation, decreased angiogenesis, and increased capillary fragility. How do you fix damaged cells naturally? Good clean diet full of stem cell nutrients. Intermittent fasting is a stem cell activator and has been found to trigger rapid cellular regeneration. Berries such as blackberries, goji berries, pomegranate, blueberries, and raspberries all help improve superoxide dismutase, which is a powerful antioxidant. How can I rebuild my health? 6 tips to bounce back, the healthy way, after a period of illness. Tip 1. Get the active life back slowly and steadily. Tip 2. Eat nutritious food even if you're not hungry. Tip 3. Drink water to stay hydrated. Tip 4. Get lots of sleep. Tip 5. Cultivate a practical and positive mindset. Tip 6. Seek help when necessary. What foods repair DNA? Here's what to include: apples, mango, orange juice, apricots, watermelon, papayas, mangoes and leafy greens are all high in nutrients shown to protect DNA. Blueberries are especially powerful. In one study, 10.5 ounces significantly lessened damage to DNA in only an hour. What makes body heal fast? Healing speed depends on numerous factors, including oxygenation, lifestyle, nutrition and wound location. Injuries in places with higher blood circulation generally heal faster, while wounds in areas that move may require more healing time. Educating yourself and taking care of your body can also impact recovery. How can I speed up tissue recovery? How to speed up wound healing? Get some rest. Getting a lot of sleep can help wounds heal more quickly. Eat your veggies. Healthy food and nutritional supplements are said to boost your immune response and prompt the wound healing process. Don't stop the exercise. Quit smoking. How do you reverse poor health? Diet: eat plenty of fruits and veggies. Eat fish twice a week. Eat whole grain, high fiber foods. Decrease saturated fat intake to less than 7% of calorie intake. Decrease trans fat to less than 1% of calorie intake. Decrease cholesterol to less than 300 mg/d per day. Balance calorie intake with exercise. What is the secret to good health? Not smoking, eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, maintaining a healthy weight, and keeping blood glucose, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels in a healthy range have the potential to collectively wipe out a vast majority of heart disease and stroke and prevent or delay a significant number of dementias. Is it too late to start eating healthy? Even if you didn't get that healthy start, it's never too late to make changes that can improve your health. A healthier diet and increased physical activity can help stymie the progression of heart disease and other chronic illnesses as well as improve overall health at any age.